Hello everyone, I have some exciting news. I now have a website where you can do courses. So you're already familiar with the playlist system I have set up on YouTube, and you can see that I upload a lot of tutorial videos as well as fun videos and as well as 3D render videos, visualization and all that good stuff that's related to buildings. So right here, right now I have the website set up for building design master course, or you can call it that if you want to. So here's a little video of the thumbnail of the courses. So the website currently has 3 prime courses. One of the courses is on AutoCAD. So it's titled AutoCAD Mastery from Basics to Advanced for Civil Engineers and Architects. Well, it says it's for civil engineers and architects, but anyone can learn it. The reason it says civil engineers and architects because it teaches you the topics that are related to architecture and civil engineering. So if you go to view the product here, you can see that this course, this 16 hours course, is actually 100% free for the first 100 people. So if you act now, you can get a free seat at this wonderful course where you're going to practice some plans. This is some of the plans that you're going to be practicing. You can check out the contents, what we have here. It's actually a 16-hour course. It's a pretty good course, if I say so myself. You can learn a lot of the stuff. So most of the courses out there, they tell you that it's masterclass in AutoCAD and whatnot. They actually stop right after the basic commands and tools. So everything another masterclass course is going to show you in AutoCAD, I have covered in the first 4 sections. And moving on from there, it's all specialized learning for, doing work in the civil engineering sector or the architecture sector. And if you click on it, you can see the different video lessons and the titles as well as the durations there. It actually also has quizzes, and you can play the video here. This is actually a preview of the course. You can play this video. You can learn more about the course if you play this 4-minute video. And right after that, we have some offers for you. So if you would like to do the whole package, if you want to do the AutoCAD course, or you're going to learn how to develop building plans as well as a complete project, and then you can do the structural detailing of that project after design, or maybe you can learn how to analyze that particular structure and how to design a building structure, a reinforced concrete building structure using the powerful ETABS software, following building code guidelines. You're also going to learn building codes in this particular course. So I suggest you do the free course first, and then you also do this 2 other courses. Now the sequence isn't very linear. You can do this AutoCAD course, move to the ETABS course, learn the design, and according to the design result, you can do your structural detailing for a better practice. But if you're not interested in doing structural design, you just want to learn drafting and detailing, then after doing this free course, you can check out the detailing course. And then maybe sometime if you decide, okay, I really want to learn why there are 6 rebars in the column instead of 4, what's happening here, then you can learn this as well. Okay, and there are some pretty nice offers going on, but there are more offers which I'm going to tell you about in just a bit. So here you can see some of the reviews of the course from people who have done the course previously, and here you can see the course project that you will be completing in this course. It's going to be a total complete project where you're going to learn how to document your entire work and submit it to a client. All right. And here are some FAQs and a bit more information about the course. All right. Okay, so let me now take you to the other courses. Let's go to the courses. All right. So here you have the structural detailing course. If you go to see the product, okay, you can see that for the first 100 people, it's actually 80% off. Right, and you can also play the preview video here, which will tell you more about the course, and here are some of the detailing you will be doing. And fun thing is that you're going to get the templates for structural detailing for free. If you're not interested in doing detailing but you want to learn detailing because you want to work in the field as a site engineer or something, you can you also get the templates for free, and if you just tweak the templates a little bit, you can produce high quality details. So you can get that for free with the course. And here you also see the contents of the course, what's inside the intro, what's inside introduction, one of the sections people really like, who are looking to go into the construction side of things, who want to become site engineers, inspectors and whatnot. They really enjoy this general notes section. So here's a little bit about the general notes, which you can get out of the general notes, and you can also preview the first video of this general notes section for free. Here you can see the free preview button there. So there are a lot of lessons that are open for preview. You just need to find them, click it, and you can see that these 2 lessons are open for preview. So even if you don't enroll into this course, you can watch these lessons for free. How crazy is that? Okay. All right. So we have a lot more information going on here, same as before. And here are a few more information. So similarly, you can check out the other course. If you go back to courses, and you can check out this course right over here, and you can see the offers here as well. So this particular course, you can get it for 90% off. Okay, that's a very generous deal. Because this course actually has a lot of valuable information, and you can also preview a lot of the lessons. So even without enrolling to the course, you can check out what the course is all about. You can see from the section titles what you're going to be learning in the course. And also, if you enroll in this course, you're gonna get the lecture book for free. Okay, so this lecture book usually didn't come free, but if you enroll into this course, you're gonna get this step-by-step book for free that you can use for every single building design you would like to do after this course. Okay, so here are the chapter titles of the book that you can get with it. And remember, without the structural detailing course, you can still learn a little bit about seismic detailing in this building design course. So if you do this course after the detailing course, you're going to really enjoy the introduction to seismic detailing. Even if you do the detailing course after this course, you're going to be able to apply what you learn about seismic detailing into actual practice through AutoCAD. So it's another steal. And then we have some little more information, a little bit more offer and whatnot. And so on. Other than that, you can also check out my books. I have the books tab. So the books part of the page is not yet completely set up, but if you go to my author profile, you can learn more about these books, right? And other than that, you can read the blogs for free. So some of the blogs are on books currently, but this blog is actually demonstrates what building information modeling truly is, not what people perceive it to be. So it's I think it's a very good blog post to read, and you'll also learn the importance of learning building information modeling as a whole, not as a segmented thing for the future purposes. And then I will be posting some more informational and interesting topics like this one, the blog right here. You can see this one. Okay, so if you go into the read blog post, you can go in and read the blog post. It's completely free to read the blog post. You can learn a lot of the things just from reading the blog post. Okay, all right. And if you go to books, and if you go to my author profile, it will send you right over here. Okay, all right. And there's a little about me section. There you go. It's a little bit about me. If you want to learn more about me, here are some of my links. My YouTube channel. It has my LinkedIn information. It has this website. It's actually this website. And then you also get my Facebook page information right over here. Okay, you just need to click it to go to those places. So yeah, that was about my new website. And I'd say grab your free seat with the AutoCAD Mastery course as soon as you can. And while you enroll into this course, you will have this 2 other amazing courses at a very reasonable discounted price. All right. So yeah, that's about it. And enjoy the tutorial videos on my channel as well. Happy learning.